Let's take a moment to recap the key points we've covered in this video. Firstly, we delved into understanding AI. We saw how this groundbreaking technology is not just about robots and high-tech machinery, it's about using data, algorithms, and computing power to create systems that can learn, reason, perceive, infer, communicate, and make decisions. We talked about machine learning consultancy, AI content creation, data annotation, AI ethics consulting, and even AI-powered digital marketing. Each of these side hustles presents a unique opportunity to leverage your skills and passions and to make a significant income while at it. We emphasize the importance of learning and staying updated on AI trends, building a strong network and demonstrating your skills through projects and portfolios. The AI industry is a competitive one, and standing out requires commitment and a continuous pursuit of knowledge and experience. Their stories serve as a testament to the fact that with the right mindset, skills, and determination, anyone can succeed in this industry. As we wrap up, it's important to reiterate the potential of AI and how it's shaping the future of work. But remember, the first step to tapping into this goldmine of opportunities is to take action. Start today. Learn about AI. Identify a side hustle that aligns with your skills and interests. Build your network, showcase your skills, and most importantly, don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Staying adaptable and open to learning is key to success in this field.